In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80073712 Windows update error. First thing you're going to do is go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, click OK, sfc /scan now. So scan and then now, and then you want to scan this and let it load. Once it's done, you can just close this down, and then you want to go here to this PC, go to C drive, and here go to Windows, and here you want to go to distribution. So it should be, so here click on software distribution. Now here you want to go to download. Now inside here is very unnecessary folders that you can all just delete them at once. So just select everything and then just delete everything here. After this, you can close this down. So once you do this, you want to go here to search, type in disk cleanup, and just run the disk cleanup and make sure you are just cleaning everything unnecessary. So once you select everything and click OK, the last thing you're going to do is just restart your computer and your issue is fixed.